Good morning, everyone. How are you doing today? Hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to be sharing with you another what I eat in a day video because a lot of you guys really like these videos, so I try to do them every couple of months or so. I am starting my day with my beloved almond milk matcha latte. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you would know that I've been borderline obsessed with almond milk matcha lattes the past couple of months. I just love them. They're just so delicious. This blend has ginger in it and astragalus, which is a really powerful immune boosting herb, and there's lion's mane in here too, which is a really fantastic type of mushroom. And it is from the company Four Sigmatic, which is a company that specializes in medicinal and functional herbs and mushrooms, who I am very happy to be partnering up with on today's video. And I will talk a little bit more about how I like to make this almond milk matcha latte in a couple of minutes. But first, I always start my day with water. Drinking water when you first wake up is always a really great way to rehydrate when you get up. And I also do really well with a bit of intermittent fasting, so I often won't eat until maybe 10:30 or 11, which is when I am having this matcha latte. And all I do is I add about 1.5 teaspoons of the matcha blend with a little bit of hot water, and then I'll whisk it together. I don't have one of those wooden whisks, I just kind of use a regular one. And then I will add in the rest with almond milk. And I like an unsweetened almond milk. I don't like my matcha lattes sweet, but you could add a little bit of honey or maple syrup if you wanted to. And then I just warm it up over the stove top for just a minute or so, just until it's nice and warm. And that's it. And I love matcha because it's quite energizing. It does have a little bit of caffeine, but it also has an amino acid called theanine, which is quite relaxing. But of course, this matcha blend also has the lion's mane, like I mentioned, which is a mushroom that is known for having cognitive enhancing properties. And there's also ginger in it, which is great for digestion. And then of course, that really nice immune boosting astragalus. Be sure to check out the description box below because I have a 15% off coupon for you on your first order of Four Sigmatic. Lately, for a proper breakfast, I've just been loving smoothies lately. So today I'm just doing frozen strawberries, frozen blueberries, hemp seeds, some sunflower seed butter, which I love putting in my smoothies because it makes them kind of creamy and thicker. And then I'm also adding in a probiotic capsule as well. And it's kind of just a nice, refreshing way to start my day. For lunch today, I am making myself a harvest salad. This is one of mine and Sean's favorite salad recipes. I love it because it's very kind of fall inspired. And all I do is I take a big bed of spring mix and some acorn squash, some Brussels sprouts or broccoli, some potatoes on the side. If you guys saw my recent meal prep video, you know that I like to cook up acorn squash and that sort of thing to have kind of pre-prepped in the fridge. And then some slices of apple. I have some bacon here and a really nice creamy lemon hemp dressing, which I love. I also will sometimes use a turkey bacon, which is really great for this, which I get at the market near where I live, the St. Lawrence Market for those of you in Toronto. And yeah, it's just a really hearty, fresh harvest salad. I love it. It's filling and it's very, very tasty. For a little snack today, I'm just gonna have some simple trail mix that I made. This is also something that I shared in my meal prep video. Really easy to make. It's just some pecans, some raisins, some dark chocolates in there, pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds, and it just makes a really great afternoon snack. For dinner tonight, I'm gonna make some chicken bruschetta, which I'm just putting on top of some homemade rosemary buckwheat flatbreads. Recipe is on my blog. They're very, very tasty. And some homemade bruschetta that I made that's just tomatoes and balsamic vinegar, some olives, and fresh basil from my brand new basil plant that I love. And really that's it. I just kind of top it on top of the flatbreads and it's so good. A nice basil pesto would be great on top of these flatbreads. Sean wasn't home to enjoy this with me, but I saved some for him. But he was home to enjoy some hot chocolate this evening. Now that it's almost fall, it is, you know, hot chocolate season. This here is also from Four Sigmatic. All you do to make this is you take one of the packets and you mix it with 3 or 4 ounces of hot water. I'm using almond milk here, but you could also use coconut milk. And this hot chocolate's really nice because it has reishi mushroom in it, which is known for being quite anti-stress. There's also cinnamon in there and some cardamom, so it's just a really nice blend, a nice warming drink for the evening. And that is pretty much it for what I ate today. Don't forget to check out the links below to the 4 Sigmatic products that I mentioned and to grab your 15% off on your first order. They have a ton of great drinks and elixirs to choose from. When I used to work at a health food store for a few years, I used to love trying all the different ones that they have, and you can see all the choices that they have on their website. You can search by the different types or the different benefits that you are seeking, whether it's energy or immune boosting, and they are also all completely gluten-free. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you did. You can subscribe to my channel for new videos every single week, and I'll see you very soon.